Microsoft Excel 2010. Microsoft Excel 2010. How would we start up? We go to our start button. Now, start button, we search for Excel. Excel. We search for Excel. Excel. We click on Excel. It will come up for us. And what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a commercial spreadsheet written and developed and distributed by Microsoft Corporation. It's a powerful tool that is useful for calculation, data analysis, and it can integrate information from different platforms. And as you can see, Microsoft Excel is an electronic spreadsheet. It's working. It's constructed in rows, and columns. So that's how to start up Microsoft Excel.